August 15 mamangda Assam Rifles lauthoktrabade akanba khongjang changsillaga nei Maira paibisinggi mihutsingna ngarang Raj Bhavan Governor Anusuya Uike unaduna Prime Minister da memorandum ama pisinkhre Maira paibisinggi mihut ahumna memorandum asi pisiluraba matungda saruk yarobe Jennifer Khaidemna phongdokibada Assam Rifles na Maira paibisingda sathagiba thawong adugidamak makhoibu Manipurdagi lauthokpina ba haijakhe tha asigi taraga mangagi mamangda Assam Rifles sing chalankhidravade Manipur gi Maira paibisingna akanba khongjang sing changsilakani haina su phongdoklamle haire Kuki militant singi lairol chanphamgi wathok High Court ki direction in Davage Chief Secretary GOC IGAR South yauna official taragi mathakta contempt proceeding lokhatkhrei Chief Secretary Commissioner Home Commissioner Secretary Sericulture DGP Deputy Commissioner ASP Home Ministry ki Secretary GOC IGAR South amasung Churachandpur PS ki OC da notice issue tawkhrei May ahumdagi kuki jo lamhenba singa makhoige militant singa khusam naduna yellow purupta satharagli batam thiraba lana sida laikhidraba makhoigi miyoi singbo tribal martyrs haina mingtholaga torbung banglaga tainariba kangbai sub division gi manungsan ba haulai khopi khulda lairol changani haraklabasu khulasi pikpadagi masiga thangnana lairiba Manipur lainga ke sericulture farm da aroiba mathau mangam sathanaba thaurang lakpagi mayokta file tawrokiba PIL ama High Court of Manipur na laukhatuna khanaraga petition asigi apunba respondent taragani thoigi manungda yauriba official respondent tarada pikiba direction sing thabak to onthoktre haiduna makhoigi mathakta contempt petition ama file tawrakpadagi court na masigi proceeding laukhatlaga official respondent taragi mathakta notice issue tawkhre PIL asi international mitai forum gi secretary general oiriba khurai ahongai lekai dagi thangjam Rolivin sahi yangkai gani thoi apokpa laikhidraba TH iboton na petitioner oiduna file tawrakibane PIL asigi number na 33 of 2023 ne aduga PIL asida yauriba respondent singna Manipur lainga ki mahut sinba chief secretary commissioner home commissioner secretary sericulture DGP Manipur Churachandpur gi DC amasung ASP Ministry of Home Affairs ki secretary GOC Eastern Command IGAR South Mantri Pukri Churachandpur PS ki OC ITLF Churachandpur amasung JPO Churachandpur ne akon bagi respondent ani asina private respondent sing ne matter asi tha asigi ahumde acting chief justice MB Muralidharan amasung justice A Guneswari gi bench na lokhatuna khanakhe court na PIL asi khanarakpada petitioner gi maikei da senior counsel M Hemchandra na leplaga mapu counsel M Rendi ne assist tawkhe court na party pumnamaki wafam sing taraba matungda tongan ba direction ahum pikhe direction sing adugi manungda kuki militant singi haksang sing lairol changani hairiba mafam adumak status quo da thamna ba khangan khe loina na official respondent tarada mafam adu yauna madugi akoibada law and order gi khudong chadaba sing thorakpada laksinaba chapchaba thabak sing laukhanaba khangan khibane adum oinama court na numit asida pikiba direction sing adu thabak to onthoktre haiduna petitioner asimagna ngahan court asida contempt case PIL number 78 of 2023 file tawrakibane contempt case asiga mari leinana ngarang acting chief justice na lusingba division bench na wakat asigi contempt proceeding laukhatkhe masidasu senior counsel amasung mahakpu mateng pangkhiba counsel anina petitioner gi maikei da lepkhe counsel ani sigi submission sing taraba matungda court na Manipur lainga ki mahut sinba chief secretary dagi hauraga Churachandpur PSK OC fawbagi official respondent taragi mathakta tha asigi kunthra fawbagi manungda paukhum pirakadabani haina contempt proceeding asigi notice issue tawkhibane